Hey guys and girls, Saturday the 8th of August 2020, and we are just about to go off and film some properties.
Hi guys, Maria again. I bring you here to this beautiful exclusive property. I hope you really enjoy it as much as we do today. So we are in a 4 hectares property. The price is 52.999, which is a great price for what you get, because look at the views, amazing. You see the mountain. At the bottom you have a stream, so it's really nice. You have this building at the back of me, which is a lot of potential for you to renovate it and live inside. You have a piece of forest on the top, lots of beautiful old olives, and a great spot to grow veg. So come with me and do a walking. Inside, of course, this is a project, but the roof, you already have concrete beams, so it's really easy to put a new roof and to redo the inside. You have a very good high fit, which allows you to make a mezzanine if you need. Next door, you have a second building, which you can increase the size of the living area, because I think if you put the two together, it's going to be a really good space.
This is a really big space. So let's see what we got. We've got a nice pillar in the middle and concrete beams going across, and then a really thick walls and very high ceilings. So there's definitely space to put a mezzanine level up here. And yeah, really nice thick stone.
It's a shame where the old window would have been.
Yeah. Yes, of course, it needs new windows. You can put some windows on the roof, but you can easily open windows in the building, so it's really, it seems complicated because it's in stone, but there's lots of people that can do that for you. So
yeah, so this was like a big window or something, or even a doorway maybe. And some more across this side. But a really big space. It feels very expansive in here.
Yes, and if you need, you can even dig a little bit down. It's easier, so again,
You get more height.
a little bit more height. So it's quite easy to do that also.
Very nice height already. I mean, I'm not particularly tall, but this is way above my head.
No, the high feet is quite good, I think.
Yeah. I reckon even on a mezzanine floor you'd be able to stand up.
Yes, completely. Next door, we can open a door somewhere here and connect to the next building that you're gonna see. It's a little bit dark inside, but imagine with windows and light coming inside.
Okay.
Good area to make a kitchen.
Yes.
And even a bathroom, and then use the other side for bedrooms and lounge.
And as you were saying, you could just put a doorway through here and access the main area.
Open big windows because it needs a bigger window, definitely.
Yeah. So they've built something in here already. I believe it's like a smoking kitchen.
It was used just to keep animals and smoke room. So of course this needs to be knocked down.
Yeah.
And just imagine open space.
Yeah. And this here was used as a smoking room to smoke meat and stuff. It's got like a black charred ceiling and little racks to hold sausages or something like that. But a really nice long big space. There's a lot of potential here for sure. Hello Gina.
Hello Ken.
Very nice.
As you can see from here, if you should scan this side, the views are just amazing. So you have on the bottom of the property the stream where you see the big trees down there.
Okay, so a
Over
stream
there.
running along, yeah?
Yes, running on. On the top you see the beautiful mountain.
Yeah.
The downfield, as you see, it's green. That's what they use to do the vegetable paths and grazing land for
Yeah.
animals. So it's really fertile.
Mm.
All these terraces before, as you see, beautiful olives. Some fruit trees, but not many as they already had here because they didn't keep them.
Yes.
But it's easy to plant them, and it's a good spot to have fruit trees because they grow very, very nice here.
Oh, this is a very nice field.
Yes, yes. It's a big terrace.
That's huge.
For the garden, the vegetables is ideal.
Yeah. And the stream is just beyond those trees.
The stream is the trees, yes.
Yeah.
The soil here is very strong, very
Yes.
fertile. Where's
Oh, just the small, yeah.
the last month, the water is
Yeah.
flowing.
So maybe just August, September dry.
It's more dry.
Yeah.
So up here, this is the forest section. This is quite a nice terrace as well.
Yes, beautiful one.
Wow.
To plant fruit,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Really big space. And then there's another one just up there, so it kind of steps its way along. And you were saying the land is it's basically like a rectangle.
It's totally rectangular, and it's
Yeah.
all fenced left side, right side, and then
Yeah.
it's terrace, but they are smooth, so
Yes.
it's really easy to walk between them.
Yeah.
And you can section it. So
And
you
really
can,
good access as well. Here, you
yes,
can get
access
up
is
here.
perfect, and you can section them like one for fruit, the other one's for olives, the other one's for animals if you want to have some animals.
Oh, this is lovely. I love
It's
forests.
beautiful, yes, me
Mm.
too.
It's so much cooler in here.
Already, yeah, you can feel the temperature dropping.
At half a kilometer you have a beautiful pool, community pool and small river beach.
Mm.
So you can walk there and just get a little bit cool and come back.
Yeah. So the forest still goes more, huh? Wow.
It's big forest.
It is. This is a lot of wood. There is a lot of wood just lying all over the place, so you wouldn't need to buy wood for very long. Well, ever. Yeah, this is a big piece of land. And still continues? Wow, okay. This is a huge forest, I can't believe it.
Okay, so we just make the tour of the place. I hope you enjoy it as much as we did here today because it's really nice place and we just have so much fun, and I hope you can feel that. So we're going to be waiting for you anytime. As soon as you can come, please call us and subscribe the channel, and goodbye. See you next time. Ciao, ciao.